Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer money from Raiffeisen bank. So guys, to do this it is easy steps. Let's get started. First guys, login your account from here. After that guys, after logging your account with your credential and information, and all you have to do, follow me in these steps. If you want to transfer from card to card of any bank, you have click on this to transfer. If you have paid one of something, this is my object guys of this video, transfer from any bank like this one. After that, wait to loading this page. From here guys, enter your card numbers details and your card expire data and CVC and CVV and your phone number and your name, and after that you can enter your email to get recipient. Enter your email from here and choose your amount you want to transfer. For example guys, 100 of this currency, and enter your recipient card and number if you want to transfer your card. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comments and I will answer your question.